strong handover that we received from the Wall Street, especially on the Nasdaq front, is something which is exciting the Asian street as well.
The Nifty is eyeing all-time highs. That level is 18,888.
The ingredients are in place for a super end to the June 2023 series today. There it is, fresh all-time highs on the Nifty. We're holding above those levels, and as we hit that mark, some bit of an algo trade would have played out.
This flow-driven rally to begin with, where there are many buyers and far less supply.
142 trading sessions and a 4% gain on the Nifty is what it took for it to hit a fresh record high.
Now, once again, we're back to levels of 18,920.
Merger of HDFC Bank and HDFC Limited will be done in July of 2023.
The economists have generally upgraded their forecasts for the full year FY24 growth.
A lot of promoters have taken this opportunity where liquidity is so strong and flows are so strong to actually go out and book some profit.
SEBI plans to consider in today's board meeting, and that is with respect to total expense ratio regulations for mutual funds.
Are at the 19,000 level. What a charge it has been from the Bulls Brigade. Indeed, that's the day so far. It has been a day for the history textbooks. So we've seen records come and records go, and a long wait for the Nifty has come to an end. 21 months is what it has taken for the index to move from 18,000 to 19,000. You've just seen snippets of the day so far, and it's been a day that belongs entirely to the Bulls. Hello and welcome to Closing Bell. We're coming to you live from the CNBC-TV18 Motilal Oswal studios. I'm Surbhi Upadhyay. With me on the show, Reema Tendulkar, and of course, Nigel is watching that Bulls party very, very carefully from the newsroom, and we'll have Prashant joining in just a bit as well. But guys, what a day. And it's been chart busting to say the least.
Absolutely, and no signs of profit booking whatsoever, right? Typically, when you get to these all-time high levels, there is some element of profit booking. Some people would say, well, I've made so much money because the mid-caps and small caps have done so well. But this time, there is no sign of that.
And I think Nigel's getting ready for a really big midweek party. And the Bulls have beaten Nigel to it. They've started the party already, Nigel. That's what it looks like looking at the screen.
Surbhi, we came back from your birthday party yesterday, and now we have that holiday that we were talking about. So hopefully you're going to treat us big time, maybe on Friday, maybe today. I mean, we're always ready for it. But the big party really is on Dalal Street. And at the start of today, we had made this point. The ingredients are in place for a big rally, and that's precisely what's taken place. So rather good going on that front. And, we also said, good things, they take a lot of time. It took some time, but in fact, fresh all-time highs are here. So let me just run you through a quick chart that I put up then. It's a bazooka end to the June series. Yesterday, you had the bears that got stuck on the wrong side. And now the call writers, they've been taken to the cleaners because the positioning was such that we don't get past that 18,800 odd mark. All of a sudden, we're at around 19,000 odd, and that's evident. 18,900 call, you pull up that strike out there. The premium yesterday was 9 rupees. Today, it's closer to 90 rupees. So those call writers, they've been taken to the cleaners. You also pull up the 19,050 call. There is a bit of a punt that's taking place over here. In case things go right and we get another 50, 70 points, or then you'll make some money. Premium's only around 7 rupees, 6 to 7 rupees out there. And on the downside, the 19,000 put is seeing some writing. The premium's around a 40 rupees odd. So upsides can be anything. But I think the Bulls have positioned themselves such that 18,955 gets protected on the downside. So that's your stop loss on the downside, crucial level on the downside, and upside. Sky's the limit, I think. So what else are you looking at?
I'm just looking at the ticker, Nigel, and our ticker team's had a really busy day. They've been just belting out those lines and those record levels pretty much by the hour. Just want to pull up the list of Nifty winners, and we'll do that in a bit. I mean, what's also important to note that this is actually, of course, we're celebrating all the levels in the rally here, but it's a very nice-looking global screen as well. You had a lot of the markets across Asia move higher. Right now, Europe is up anywhere between 0.5% to 1%, depending on which market you're looking at. So it's a good-looking global screen right from the Wall Street action that we had overnight. Those are some of the regional markets, how they ended up. Of course, Japan's had this relentless rally. And right now, CAC, DAX, most of those markets are up between 0.5% to about 0.75%. On the Nifty, the good news is that now the Bank Nifty is in full form, but it has so many other constituents to it as well. The metals index is led from the front, and you'll see that as we pull up the list of Nifty gainers for you, the metals index has had a good run, IT has had a good run, and of course, we've got biggies like Reliance. So pretty much all parts of the market firing, Okay, there we go. That's a nice looking screen. You've got a green bull out there, and it tells you exactly what stocks are leading it. These are the biggest movers on the Nifty as we speak. Adani Enterprises, Adani Ports, of course, Adani Group in focus because of some block deals as well today. IndusInd Bank, L&T, Reliance, the entire lot, SBI, Infosys. HDFC Life is the only stock worth mentioning on the way down today, and there's a lot going on with HDFC Life. We know about the block trades that have happened, but more on that later. It's also a good time to welcome in Prashant. Prashant, come join the party.
Where are the hats?
All the t-shirts.
All the t-shirts. But you know, by the way, did we make new highs, or are you guys still talking about
19,000 thereabouts? Yeah.
Well, just making sure. It's a fantastic day, right? I mean, and this coming up ahead of the holiday, which I think makes it even sweeter for most. How should you position yourself now as we approach the last 60 minutes of trade? That's the question. Mitesh is with us with exactly that. Mitesh, hi.